Hi there, I'm Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents, and here I am today at our latest listing at 23 Caroline Street in Yeppoon. Situated on a large, fully fenced corner allotment, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers generous extras like a single bay powered shed, solar power and a pool. So let's head on in and have a look. What I absolutely love most about this characteristic home really is the space it offers. This is the large lounge room here, which flows effortlessly through to the spacious dining room that overlooks the yard, through to our functional corner kitchen that's well appointed with 5-burner gas cooking. So guys, there you have it for our latest listing at 23 Caroline Street in Yeppoon. If you are looking for a home that offers space, privacy and oozes character, please don't hesitate to contact Adam Cook or myself. We would love to show you through.